A series of 3 earthquakes in the last week right near Lake Lanier, and some of those quakes shook the ground enough for a lot of neighbors to feel it. But you may be wondering tonight why they happened and could more be coming.
Meteorologist Melissa Nord sat down with a geophysicist to get some answers for you.
What's usually a quiet, peaceful place on an early summer's evening shook with tremors from the ground. First, a magnitude 2.5 earthquake Thursday at 11:15 p.m. An aftershock, a magnitude 2.1 at 1:30 that night. Then a second aftershock, a 2.3 magnitude earthquake Sunday evening. Although weak, many who live near the epicenters felt these. We received dozens of comments on Facebook and into our newsroom of people feeling their house shake. Dr. Andrew Newman, geophysicist at Georgia Tech, explains there's several reasons why many people may have felt the earthquakes.
One certainly is proximity, how close you are. If you're really close to it, obviously you're going to feel it better. Another thing is if the earthquake is really shallow, if it's very near the surface of the earth, we'll feel it much better as well. And this earthquake was quite shallow.
And earthquakes are easier to feel here on the East Coast.
Seismic waves travel much more efficiently. They go further and are larger, so you have a larger area where you potentially could shake, and people can feel it.
Although earthquakes are not uncommon in our state, where these happened were not on any active faults.
That same fault system, at least through Georgia, is right here, and we don't really see earthquake activity on it.
Scientists from Georgia Tech, the University of Georgia, and Georgia State University are now collaborating to get to the root of the cause. They'll be installing a handful of seismic nodes to be buried in the ground and several surface shake sensors to then catch any future small quakes.
Like a stethoscope directly against the chest, being able to hear the heartbeat.
Although Dr. Newman says a larger quake is unlikely, if there are more aftershocks, they can get a clearer image of the cause.
Then we can start actually mapping out individual faults at which these earthquakes occur on.
So if you felt it, you felt them, you know, and a lot of us didn't, but they want to be able to get a better, clearer picture of what's going on. Is there a fault there that's kind of coming back to life or not? So they're going to start installing those tomorrow and Friday and hopefully get a little more information.
Yeah.
It's cool.